Presto XOXO. Hello, my empire builder, go-getter, innovator, mogul, and owner of the boardroom. Yes, honey, I am talking about you. I am Marie, your guide to the wild world of AI, and I'm here to bring you another big, bold, and beautiful AI business idea. My goal is to provide you with ideas that get you wheels turning and thinking and asking yourself, how can I utilize AI to make money? I hope that this business idea that I provide today will help you with brainstorming and maybe help create some additional ideas for you, because there's a lot of people making money with AI and you should be included. Please do not sit on the sidelines and watch all this AI money pass you right by. Ask yourself right now, how can I benefit from AI? I think I have an answer to your question, because I have something smoking and hot and juicy for you today that will make your muscles flex with joy and your taste buds dance with delight. We're diving deep into the world of fitness and nutrition, because there's a lot of people out there that want to get fit and have a healthy lifestyle, but hiring a personal trainer, a nutritionist, or a personal chef can be time consuming and very, very expensive. Well, you now have a solution to their problems. Welcome to the world of personalized fitness and nutrition powered by AI. So imagine this. Your business provides a cutting-edge online platform that revolutionizes the way people achieve health and fitness goals. And with just a few taps on their cell phone or clicks on your website, your customers will gain access to personalized fitness and nutrition plans that will blow their mind and transform their body. Honey, your business will be a smart virtual personal trainer and nutritionist all rolled into one. So here's how your business would work. Your customers will visit your app or website, fill out a detailed questionnaire covering everything from age, weight, current fitness levels, to food preferences, health conditions, and even work hours. Once the data is collected, all that juicy info is entered into your genius AI system. The AI system will then crunch the numbers, analyze the data, and presto, just like that, the AI will generate personalized fitness plans and nutrition plans that are tailor-made for each customers. No more cookie cutter routines here, sweet pea. Now get ready to be amazed, because with each personalized fitness plans, your customers will know exactly which exercises to do, how many sets and reps to perform, and even the rest periods in between. Whether they want to lose weight, build muscles, boost their stamina, or simply maintain healthy lifestyle, you got them covered. And let's not forget about the nutrition plan. Say goodbye to boring, tasteless diet meals, because your business will provide mouth-watering meal plans with delicious recipes. As your clients start to follow personalized plans, your clients will use your app or website to log in their workouts and meals. And honey, this is where the magic happens, because your fitness AI will analyze your customers' logged in data, track their progress, and receive feedback from your customers. But hold on tight, because your business does not stop there. Your fitness AI is very adaptable, and it learns from your customers' feedback. It monitors their progress and adjust fitness and nutrition plans on the spot. If your clients are breezing through the workouts, the AI system will ramp up the intensity. And if your clients are not loving certain meals, the AI system will adjust the recipes to make sure that their taste buds are dancing with delight. What's even more mind-blowing is that your AI business can predict fitness journeys. It knows when your customer might hit a weight loss plateau and prepares your customers to conquer that plateau like a warrior. It can even predict if your customer is falling short on protein and will guide them towards more protein-rich meals. Your company is like a futuristic health guru that is always one step ahead. But wait, there's even more. Your company could also offer a community platform where all your customers can come together and share their experiences, challenges, and successes with each other. Since your business is an online business, you will obtain customers through social media. Your business will be everywhere, honey, from Facebook to Instagram to even the new Threads platform. You will also have some fabulous partnerships in your corner by teaming up with fitness equipment companies, health food brands, and wellness influencers who are just as obsessed with fitness as your business. These partnerships will be spreading the word about your business and then helping you obtain more customers. Now, let's see how your business make money. I know you really want to know, how will your business make it rain AI money? Your business offers different subscription tiers, ensuring that there's a plan for every budget. The basic tier will provide general fitness and nutritional plans with a touch of personalization. However, the premium tier will provide highly personalized plans, ongoing customized suggestions based on your clients' progress and feedback. And you will also include access to special workout routines, advanced diet plans, and educational content to level up your customers' fitness game. But that's not all, honey. You'll have ton of revenue streams flowing in from partners with fitness equipment manufacturers, health food brands, and wellness centers. These companies pay you to recommend their products to your customers. But hold on tight, because this part is juicy. You can even license your fitness AI technology to other businesses and gyms and personal trainers, because they all want a taste of what you're serving and they all want to be able to implement AI to their business. You will make it rain even more AI money with those nice licensing fees. And just like that, presto XOXO, you are in business making AI money, honey. I say let's start an AI fitness movement, empowering individuals to take control of their health and well-being. The future is now, honey, and it is spelled AI. Remember, every company started off as an idea. Every company started off as a dream. Grab your piece of the AI pie now. Stay in the flow, be in the know by getting your exclusive access to more AI money-making ideas delivered straight to your inbox every single week. And guess what? It is all free. Go now to prestoxoxo.com for your exclusive access. Thank you for watching, darlings. Until next time, continue to sparkle with love, peace, and prosperity. Bye.